Ahoy hoy! This is not a happy face, is it? If you've watched the last few weeks, you'll notice that I've run out of my own guitars. So I put a call out of people I'd lent guitars to in the past, and somebody came round and dropped off 4 guitar cases. Great idea, thanks. Yeah, you've given them to us. Yeah, let us know when you finish. And they kind of left. This is the last one of those 4. And I didn't give it to them. And I don't know if I can review it, to be perfectly honest. Not because of some pride about owning it. I've only looked in the top of this and I'm lost. It is a chord brand Banjolele? Well, yeah, we won't be needing to turn that on, will we? So this is, honest to God, the first time I've ever played one, so that's a drone string, I believe. What can I say about it? Well, I don't know anything about it actually. Brown resonant body with a drum skin on the top, floating bridge, which could be moved for a better. But why bother? It's fun for what it is, isn't it? Oh, it's obviously not my instrument, is it? It's very pretty. Seems to be fairly well made. I've no idea what timbers are involved. I'll put the scale length on if anyone was interested, but means nothing to me. Nice open back tuners. Being the fellow I am with guitars, I'd like the action a bit lower, but as this entire world is quite foreign to me, who am I to say? It could be that people prefer it like that. I'm not sure about this coming out here quite so greatly. And I don't know how far that goes down. Does it go through the whole way at the back? Part of me wants to take it apart. But another part of me realises it's not mine. And that would be an incredibly rude thing to do to somebody else's guitar. That's a fun tuner. I thought it was just a straight tuner where you move it around, but it's not. We have got some gearing in there. So that's clever. Nice small geared tuner. Anyway, yes. It's the most useless Gavin's Grotty guitars because it's not a guitar. And it's not mine. It's not that grotty, I guess. Obviously be better with a nice pickup in it. What do you reckon? EMG humbucker? Yeah, I think something nice and active. Nice flute on the neck. I do like the shaped headstock actually. That's a bit of fun, isn't it? Anyway, until next time, well, hopefully it's a guitar. Subscribe there, more videos there, and yeah. Look forward to seeing you next week. Toodle Pip. Here are the cats.